Samsung just did something completely unexpected. The Galaxy Watch 4 and Galaxy Watch 4 Classic are getting the August 2026 security update, and these 4-year-old watches have actually beaten Samsung's newest smartwatches to it. Yes, you heard that right. The Galaxy Watch 4 series is currently receiving the August update before the Galaxy Watch 9 series and Galaxy Watch 8 series, and it gets even more interesting. Samsung has also started rolling out August updates across its latest Galaxy devices, but the Watch 4 has managed to jump ahead of some of Samsung's biggest and newest products, including the Galaxy S26 Ultra and Galaxy Z Fold 8 series. That is pretty unusual because normally you would expect Samsung to prioritize its newest flagship devices, but this time the old Galaxy Watch 4 is getting the attention first. The update is currently rolling out in South Korea, and the firmware versions are JZG3 for the Galaxy Watch 4 and for the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. And no, don't expect any major new features here. This is a security focused update. Samsung says the August security patch fixes 56 security issues, including fixes from Google and additional Samsung security fixes. So while your watch probably won't suddenly look or feel different after installing this update, it is still important because it keeps the software more secure. And considering the Galaxy Watch 4 series launched back in 2021, it's actually pretty impressive to see Samsung still pushing security updates to these watches. However, there is one important thing to remember. The Galaxy Watch 4 series is not eligible for One UI 9 watch, so this is not a major software upgrade. It's essentially a security update keeping the older watches protected. If you own a Galaxy Watch 4 or Watch 4 Classic, you can check for the update through the Galaxy Wearable app and install the new version.